The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Perry County in southeastern Ohio until 9:15 p.m. At 8:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Circleville, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Somerset, Thornville, Junction City, and Glenford. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.